Hey, what's up? It's Eric and
Greg.
we're here with our latest hackathon. Wait, this isn't a hackathon. All we're doing is we're gonna do a little light tuning in this room that has just recently been made green. What we're gonna do today is we'll be programming this Philips Hue dial switch, which we have one of these at the office. This switch is actually really cool. It's got 4 different buttons in different quadrants, and you can program different scenes and different things in each one of those quadrants. It also has a little twisty dial on it. That's the official name.
The jog dial is super cool.
Jog dial. So you can crank up and down the light with that jog dial. What the plan is that we're gonna install this Philips Hue Infuse, which, I mean, you can't really see here, but we'll show you. There are some fun features that you can do with it and add a little additional ambiance. First thing I'm gonna do is just get this bad boy opened and we'll get it out. So here we have the rusty, trusty fixture. This actually, you know what this reminds me of? It reminds me of a Roomba.
It does look a little bit like a Roomba.
So, interesting.
A white Roomba.
So it's got this, you see the little hanger, so that as you're kind of wiring everything up, you can use this
Oh, that's clevis.
as a little hanger and then dangle it as you're working on it. I kind of want to take this apart for some reason. I don't know why, but I'm not going to. I'm just going to install it. Oh, look.
Oh,
Let's see. So, check this out. This is the inside. It's just literally an LED strip with a driver here and a little processor. All right. So, I gotta find where. There it is. Cut my can. This Wally paper. Okay, that's good. So I am gonna need some screws. The good news is, I think I have a bunch. No hardware is stupid. I don't know if that's Philips or if that's Amazon, but either way, it's dumb. I'll be right back. I'm killing the power! So, this little fella has a little block, but I just don't want to use it. I don't like the idea of using that. I think it's dumb. So I'm gonna use what I always use. Gotta put a little pigtail on this. These little Wagos. I killed the power. So we've got a little white to white. We got a little ground to ground. And then we got a little hot to hot. We got them all here through the hole. Line this up. It's a bit of a challenge because I can't see. There we go, we'll get it started. Had to go raid my little hardware stash.
probably don't have the same hardware stash that we have at the office.
No, I mean, I've got a lot, but not as much as we've got at the office. There it is. Then we'll just pull this little fella tight here. And this little fella tight here. And just kind of alternate. Still a little loose. There's nothing worse than trying to twist off cover only to have the whole thing slip inside of here. So I am going to set my ground. So back that out. Whoa! Came out too far.
Is that what dropsy is? Oh wait, no, I think that's something else.
Dropsy?
Yeah, didn't they call that was some sort of sickness back in the 1800s, wasn't it?
I don't know. I didn't live in the 1800s.
Like tuberculosis or something.
You gotta work. All right, I'm gonna wire nut this together, but I just realized I don't have any wire nuts. I'm gonna have to go find them because I didn't get a bag of hardware. I mean, he charged me 250 bucks for a fixture and don't give me hardware.
Lame.
Loser! Just kidding, you're nice. So I found me a couple of nutty wire nuts. And let's wire this bad boy up. White to white. Okay. That's good. Oh, yeah. Okay. Now, we're in. Okay. And last but not least, this. Let's see if this is going to be dumb too. Man, I've just said a lot of things are dumb about this. Sorry, but...
Well, that went in pretty easily.
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice and clean.
Yeah. I'm gonna go turn on the lights and see what happens. And wipe the sweat off my face. It's alive! Hey. This is gonna be one lit room. It's lit! So, I found the hardware. Ready? 1, 2, 3 washers. There you go. That's just trash. Goodbye. Now I'm gonna program it in the Hue app. So we're just gonna go here and go here and add lights. And I'm just gonna add a new light. And we're gonna just search because it's on. And I bet it will
just find it.
That is the magic of Hue. Oh wait, it found one light. Let's start configuration. Let's edit the name and type. Let's just call it downlight. Then I'm gonna say done. And it's already got the icon that I wanna use. And then we're just gonna say done.
Oh, it's turning a nice, all kinds of...
Oh, orangish?
Orangish, yeah.
Oh yeah, it's peachy. So what I'm gonna do then is just say add to office because it's found, I named it, add it to office, and then it's gonna show in all 3 of my lights. Okay, so that's how you program it, it's so simple. All right, next we're gonna program this Philips Hue tap dial switch. And I don't think I'll mount this one. I'll keep this on my desk here. And then see this very satisfying twisty knob. And then these 3 buttons, which all have a little...
3? Can you
4.
count?
Sorry, 4 button. All right, we're gonna go back into the office and I'm going to go hit the accessories. So we're gonna add an accessory. There's my dimmer switch that I've already got. I've got a Hue sensor as well, but we're gonna add an accessory and we're gonna say the tap dial switch. Oh, it tells you exactly what to do. Add tap dial switch. Press and hold the first button on the switch for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Yes, LED is blinking. Success, tap dial switch connected. Next. You can program it to do your entire home. I'm not gonna do that. I am going specifically to the office. Next. So let's customize. So button 1, I'd like to do, what is it called? Desk switch. It's gonna be in the office. And then I'm gonna go this button, controls, lights, okay. And it's going to control the entire room of the office. And when I press it, oh, it's telling me that it's gonna be time-based. First button is not gonna be time-based. First button is going to be single scene, always the same scene when you press the button. Yes. And that scene is going to be natural light. Okay, so smart needs to be on to let it turn it on and off. Disabling, okay, yes, I need that enabled. Done, done. Save, let's try that again. Beep, there we go. Off, on.
Yay.
I do wish that they would come off and on at the same time. But, oh well. Let's try our little... Oh, I like it. Look at that. But I hope you enjoyed this little simple how to install the Hue Infuse dumbness with no hardware. Just kidding. It's a great, great fixture. See you soon.